Welcome, do come in, yes, welcome to the laboratories here at Cardiff Met. My name is Professor Philippe Philop. I believe some of us have met before. How are you? Do come in. Okay, perfect. Now, who do we have here? Who are these people? Okay, children from Llanederyn. Llanederyn, what's their head in? Llanederyn? Llanederyn. Oh, seems like a ridiculous name. Children of Llanederyn something. Okay, welcome to my laboratory here at the university. Now I understand we are working with some very clever learners. I have a specific problem for you, and I heard you can help. We're all going to be invited up to the campus to work with me and my colleagues in designing some very important vehicles. Now, you lot will be having a go at designing vehicles and taking part in a battle between robots. Are you up for that? Perfect, okay. Now, these robots, unfortunately, we can't make them with petrol anymore. We have to use sustainable energy. Now, it's very important you use electric vehicles. Now, I'm going to pass over to my colleague Maurice the Mouse, who will explain some more.
Hello, I'm Maurice the Mouse. I'm so sorry about him. I've had to work with him for years in this laboratory, and I can't escape. You'll get used to him. Okay, so you guys have been invited to come up to the campus and work.
And our trainee teachers to design some very exciting robots. They're all battery powered, meaning they're sustainable, and we're going to have a robot battle. I'm going to explain what you'll be doing, but you need to do some work before you come to campus. Can you all do that? I can't hear you. Can you all do that? Perfect. Okay, this is what we're going to do.
Now, how many of you remember the programme Robot Wars? We're going to have some Robot Wars when you come on campus. You may not have seen it. This was a TV show that was on donkeys years ago. Here is an example of what Robot Wars look like. So, on the programme, the general public would come on and then have designed their own robots to fight. And as you can see, these weapons had robot tools for their fighting, as you can see here. Now, we probably won't have time for things like flying hammers, but we will have time to put on things like spikes and other design features. The robots will battle in an arena, and the winning robot will be the robot that pushes out the other robots out of the arena. Yes, this is all very exciting, I know. Now, your design brief is to make a Robot Wars contestant. This will be powered by a Sphero robot. I'll show you one of those in a moment. And they will be taking part in a Robot Wars competition against each other, and you'll be working with our students who are trainee teachers, so you're going to have some help. Okay, you're going to try and run your opponent's robot out of the arena. The success criteria is you need to work as a group to design and make your robot using materials available on campus. You're going to be using as the main part of your robot a big bash cup, I'll show you one of those in a moment, to house the Sphero. You're going to build your robot around the cup. You can add on things like spikes and tools and shovels to push your other opponents out. Remember, the design brief is to push the other robots out of the arena. So, you've got from now until you come to campus to start to consider the designs and aesthetics before you come to campus. So when you come on campus, we'll be spending all the time building and then fighting in the arena. This little beauty is our Spheros. These are powered electronically via your iPad. Now you don't need to wear a silly crash helmet like they are here, but as you can see, it's a ball that's powered by electric power, battery power, and is controlled via an iPad. So it's a sphere object, thus the Sphero, and this will be your motor. So think about the design that could fit around a sphere without toppling over. Remember, the whole point of this exercise is for you to push your other Sphero robot out of the arena. Consider how you'll do this. Consider and research the design aspects that could house. Now, the whole part of this project is for you guys who are going to be designers of the future to think about designing vehicles that will be electric powered. As we know, fossil fuels are no longer sustainable and we're going to run out soon. So start to design and firstly research the electric vehicles that are available. Think about how they're powered. You can also do some research and watch some Robot Wars and look at the designs they've used. You guys are going to be the designers and you're going to be doing and using some adult tools when you come onto campus to design your own robotic fighters that will fight in the Robot Wars. This will entail you doing some work before you come on campus, so you'll have as much time as possible to build and then fight.
Now, what do you say to a slow electric car? What's the hold-up? Anyway, what are you doing here still in my laboratory? You've got lots of work to do and research and designs. So off you pop, off you go, and return here with your designs, with your research, ready to do battle. I'll see you in a week's time.